Social Security disability insurance is a federal program that's intended to provide monthly benefits to people who are unable to work. Typically, people can qualify for Social Security disability if they've worked consistently throughout their lifetime and now they've reached a point where they're unable to perform substantial gainful activity. You can file a Social Security disability application with the Social Security Administration either on the phone or online at one of their websites or by going to one of the Social Security offices in person. When you go, you should be prepared to bring information about your vocational history, your medical condition, and the doctors you've been treating with. The main stages of the Social Security disability process involve filing your initial application, which will be reviewed by the Social Security Administration. If they deny your claim, you have 60 days to appeal that decision. That's called a request for reconsideration. Social Security Administration will then re-review your file and your application to determine if you qualify. If you're again denied, then you can ask for a hearing before an administrative law judge who is outside and independent of the Social Security Administration. If you're denied at that stage, you can file an appeal with an organization called the Appeals Council. They will review your claim and either remand it back to the Social Security Administration for further consideration, or if they deny your claim, then you can file a petition for a hearing in front of the United States District Court. When you file an application, the Social Security Administration will first look to see if you are insured under the system. What that means is that you've paid in enough money over your years of work to qualify as being insured. At that point, if you're insured, then they will evaluate your medical condition and your work history to determine whether your medical impairments are severe enough to prevent you from performing substantial gainful activity and working. If your application for Social Security disability benefits is denied, it's very important that you act quickly and file an appeal. You only have 60 days to file an appeal and keep your claim active. At that point, an initial application will then again be re-reviewed by the Social Security Administration. That's called a request for reconsideration. If that is denied, then the next stage of the appeal process is to have a hearing before an administrative law judge. If the administrative law judge denies your claim, then you can appeal again and have your matter reviewed by the Appeals Council. If the Appeals Council then determines that you're not eligible, then you have the option of going to U.S. Federal District Court. If you are found to have qualified for Social Security disability, there is a 5-month waiting period. But typically, because of the length of time that the application takes, you will begin receiving benefits immediately. They will just subtract that 5-month waiting period from the amount awarded to you. Other benefits like workers' compensation can affect your Social Security disability award. Some states have what are called reverse offsets, meaning that if the workers' compensation system takes the offset, Social Security cannot. It's very important to determine whether Social Security applied the offset, because sometimes they will take the offset even though they're not allowed to. Such decisions shouldn't be appealed. Your disability team can help you at any stage of your Social Security disability application. We will work to gather the appropriate information to support your application, including medical evidence from your doctors and making sure that your application is complete. If you need help at any stage of your Social Security disability application, your disability team can help you. We will gather the evidence necessary to support your application, obtain medical opinions to help demonstrate that you are disabled and unable to perform substantial gainful activity. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to your disability team.